Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Kaizer Chiefs versus Swelele FC bafethu, first half ithe igame isuka nje lesasikhala lesi right back eKaizer Chiefs bese sesi exposed because of Swelele FC bebaphethe umfana lapha uRapo noLungu or Lunga noma ubani lo mfana lo basebenzisa isipiti sabo. UFrost labam expose, he was exposed bafethu multiple occasion lapha. I think 4 times the first few minutes of igame beyibonisa isipiti esikhulu iSwelele FC ukuthi bazodla ngalesa sikhala lesa ngalesa space lisa. Even big opportunity lokhu njani eSwelele FC bafethu. Loss of concentration again from ulokhu njani uFrost bathola opportunity enkulu, uPeterson a good save from yena, but ke I mean why would Kaizer Chiefs start uFrost laphana bafethu kuleya position leya, because akanaso speed. Abenzanga kanti research yabo ukuthi uRapo unespeed kakhulu, mfana uzomshiya kalulu uFrost, there's no chance ukuthi uFrost akwazi ukugijima bafethu nolokhu njani noRapo, there's no way. Ngikhulume ngayo mfana ngize ngasho earlier on ngathi uHappy Mashiyane kuleya position ngeke adlale because why uRapo umfana super talented kakhulu bafethu. Uinasho Miguel bafethu sibone ipoor clearance yakhe but usurvivile because bathintene neplayer kwaba yilo throw in, but that was just careless from him. Bekumele nje clear ibhola ngamandla powerful laphana. Ama runs kaRapo bafethu angazi ukuthi ngibona ayingakhi laphana first few minutes. Ucele bafethu udlala ibhola elihle kakhulu from laphana esidini, wangena nalo ibhola walifaka ibhola laphelela kubani egcineni lafika kuloko uMduduzi Shabalala. There was no power behind the ball bafethu. Ngabe uvele walishanga ipower bafethu lela bhola, there was no power, bavele balibhlokha kanjalo ke. Lela shot lela bafethu elakamfowethu laphana uMdu Shabalala, opportunity enkulu for iKaizer Chiefs overall. But into esiyibonile uRapo still ucrossile a few occasions laphana bafethu ehlupha from esidini lakhe, but ke khona i-combination of play first 20 minutes esiyibonile uShabalala noVilakazi bebacombine kahle, ba-create ama-opportunities laphana iKaizer Chiefs yenza kangcono kakhulu laphana in terms of i-combination. There was a big moment also ku-game kuma early 30 something minutes lapho 31 or so abantu bakhalela ipenalty, uSanako or ubani bafethu i-captain laphana eSwelele FC ngathi ithinte ulokhu njani uShabalala laphana eboxini, uRevli was no akusi penalty le. It was another big moment, but ke masibona uIgadaro bafethu we-good protector of the ball overall. uIgadaro simbonile udlale kahle kakhulu first half, angifuni uqamba manga, but inkinga abamdlalisi nge-strength sakhe, umuntu powerful abamdinga laphana eboxing ukuthi a-protect ibhola, but ke umthola even ngale kwecenter bafethu kumele ayolanda ibhola khona, uprotect ibhola khona. Kanti why iKaizer Chiefs if ine-striker esidlala different? Bengibukela i-conference yeKaizer Chiefs bafethu laphana ka-Cedric Kaizer akhuluma ngokuthi uIgadaro is a different striker, even noMayo naye bekhuluma nge-same thing athi i-strikers zakuKaizer Chiefs abafani laphana ku-striking department, bahlukile. Khona umuntu omebhoxini, khona umobile versatile, khona okwaziyo ukulanda ibhola. Why zonke i-strikers zakuKaizer Chiefs lezi abadlalisayo bafethu bafuna ukuthi ziyo-collect ibhola? Because hayi ukuthi bonke ba-comfortable ukuthi balanda ibhola le ngase-center bafethu. NoSilva same thing abamdlalisa ngayo, and akusi i-super power yakhe or yinto i-advantage yakhe ukuthi uzodlala kahle kakhulu if uzomdlalisa ngaleya ndlela leya. There's no way bafethu, kumele bamdlalise ngendlela esharp a-comfortable ngayo. But before ngiloyo ngiqhubeka bafethu, uHappy Mashiyane ngimbonile lena laphana kuma-grandstand ayobingelela axhawula laphana odoti laphana kuma-grandstand kuKaizer Chiefs, oyayithanda iKaizer Chiefs umfana, as much as ukhona laphana kuSwelele FC, but still inhliziyo yakhe laphana kuKaizer Chiefs. Hopefully ngelinye ilanga uyobuya kuKaizer Chiefs because umndeni wakhe, I mean ukhulele kuKaizer Chiefs from ku-DDC team to la akhona sebamlonile kuSwelele, is not even making match day squad. Sazi ngempela ukuthi indaba yakhe neKaizer Chiefs izophelela laphi. Golden opportunity, ama-opportunity bafethu 19 minutes ngeke ngikhohle le kaShabalala i-opportunity. After usikhumbule ukuthi uFrost la, as much as i-defense yakhe i-weak bafethu, weak in terms of i-defense, but guess what, makaya phambili uhlakaniphe kakhulu umfowethu. Simbonile laphana udraw i-defense wangena laphana eboxini, guess what, walikhatha back ibhola. A big opportunity for iKaizer Chiefs, they could not score that ball. Khona leli abaliblockile ibhola, and then khona leli save goalkeeper. Ama-moments awu-2 ahlukile laphana, I think awamdu o-2 lawo ma-moments lawo. So it shows ukuthi they were able to create those opportunities, but azange bakwazi ukuthatha lawo ma-opportunities lawo bafethu. uGosi kumele simncome ugoalkeeper laphana uSwelele FC ukuthi ukwazile ukusave la ma-moment lawo. Ulo 35 minutes, I won't forget 35 minutes ucross same position la akwazi ukukhatha khona back but useboxini eduze bafethu. I-composure bonisa i-composure mfethu, urelax ungatatazeli and then udlale leyo udlale ngakhona bafethu, because that was a big moment. Ulo ubani umduduzi ushabalala umphasile ibhola but i-poor cross bafethu, poor cross from him. That just the first half when we summing up i-first half ukuthi ihambe kanjani, but-ke khona umuntu ekumele simncome because umuntu menza kahle siyamncoma bafethu. Umthetho I think first 20 minutes ilokhu njana iSwelele FC bebabonisa ispeed, bullet train speed, bafuna ukukhetha i-Kaizer Chiefs ku-counter bayihlakaniphele, but umthetho guess what bafethu wina amabhola multiple occasion. Ngimbonile azawina nebhola ku-Rapport, imagine u-Rapport une-speed but umthetho ukwazile ukusebenzisa umzimba wakhe ukuthi akwazi ukuwina lela bhola leli. He performed great bafethu in terms of ukukhatha, ukuprotect ama-defense, akhathe lawo mabhola, akhathe lawo ma-possible counter attacks abawaqalayo laphana, because of iSwelele they were looking to catch i-Kaizer Chiefs ku-counter attack overall. I-captain of the day sibonile ukuthi ubani bafethu. Captain of the day uPeterson. Le nto le beyikhulunywa uMaponyane during the week athi i-leadership ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ubani i-leader, obani ama-leader, obani ama-senior player. Kusho ukuthi abanayo i-captain e-direct bafethu, batshentshisana ngebhande nje. Into enje-ke yabonwaphi, because kuba ne-captain, i-main captain ebamba ibhande njalo bafethu, and then abanye bayam-assista ukuthi abe i-captain. The only time abangabamba ibhande bafethu, ababamba ibhande ukuthi i-main captain ayikho lapha nethimini. Kaizer Chiefs I think they announced ukuthi Nacho Miguel uyozoba i-captain e-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke so far kube ukwinika for some time. Kusho ukuthi babalelana ama-game mos labantu laba bafethu ukuthi okay, so dlala ama-game mangaka uzoba i-captain, kushentshiswane lapho nalapho. Yeah, but iSwelele sizilwele bafethu. I didn't think first half iSwelele sizoba all out for i-Kaizer Chiefs, and then they were comfortable on the ball as much as they didn't create many of those chances, because Kaizer Chiefs beyi-compact nanokuthi umthetho bekwazi uku-maintain i-position yakhe laphana as i-defensive midfield, akwazi ukuprotect i-defense. So as much as o-Rapport bazamile first few minutes bafethu, but still I mean i-Kaizer Chiefs ikwazile, i-defense yabo ikwazile ukudefenda, but there were moments, ama-questionable moments. There was a time la uVilakazi bafethu kumele ayodefenda. Why? Ubamba uRapport, ukhahlela uRapport because uRapport verse une-speed way better than uVilakazi. uVilakazi wamkhahlela laphana phansi, but what I liked about abafana uVilakazi noRapport, because bayazana from laphana i-under 20 bafethu, immediately meqeda ukumkhahlela bakwazile ukuxhawulana, because uyabona ukuthi i-friendship ikhona, lobo bungani bukhona, baya-understand ukuthi i-sport, it didn't mean to hurt him, just naye beka-protect i-team yakhe ukuthi i-team yakhe ingabi exposed bafethu. Peterson ngishilo earlier on ukuthi ukwazile ukusave ibhola, but there was a moment uPeterson basquare ibhola nje simple bafethu, kumele alibambe urelax ucasually walidedela ibhola. Could have easily created a mess bafethu on goal ngalela bhola leli, and usikhumbuza ama-moments ukuthi uPeterson vele lamaphutha la uyawenza ukuthi angabi comfortable on the ball, angakwazi ukubamba ibhola convincing, akakwazanga-ke nalapha moments of nerves laphana for i-Kaizer Chiefs, even nama-fans laphana e-stadium. La moment le ibathusile ukuthi hayibo lo muntu lo ufuna ukusiphinda futhi, because siyamazi ukuthi unawo amaphutha wakhe nje overall laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but I think what we can what I can salute i-combination yabo laphana phambili bafethu, njengoba ngishilo ukuthi iGadaro aliprotectile ibhola umjida bafethu. He was able to take ibhola le from a distance, akwazi ukuconnecta laphana nabadlali be-Kaizer Chiefs. Khona la, I mean, what a powerful shot from uFrosler. uFrosler une-powerful shot bafethu la mjida loyo. Yabona uma bathi umjida une-powerful shot bakhuluma ngayo. iGadaro win ibhola laphana, is able to play uFrosler. uFrosler is driving forward, futhi akadrivanga forward, just uzipositione kahle wadedela ingcwenga yento, but-ke it was just over the top bafethu. But-ke i-shooting range yakhe i-strong kakhulu bafethu la mjida loyo. Unlucky not to score. There's something about yena bafethu meya phambili laphana uFrosler, unama-moments wakhe amahle kakhulu, but ku-defense kula kumele aqinise khona bafethu. Ngicela ukuyibamba la ya first half, Kaizer Chiefs versus iSwelele FC. It was a well-balanced game overall bafethu first half. Ama-moments abekhona for both teams ukuthi angakora. A big one obviously, ubani Ohizu, i-striker laphana sakuSkhukhune United esikuloni, uyothola i-biggest opportunity laphana first half. but wayishaya straight kulokhu njana ku-Peterson wakwazi ukuseva lela bhola with ease.